What's up guys, I'm gonna show you in today's tutorial how to sign in into Scopely account. So what you want to do is go to your Google Chrome and then search for sign in to Scopely. Then you're gonna click on the first link you see. It will take you to a page where you will put in your email. Then click next. After that, you're gonna make up a strong password. Make sure it's strong for your security and then click continue. After that, click on go to Gmail, then click on create account. To take you to a page, and then you're gonna go to the other page where it will redirect you into Scopely, and now you're signed in. And that's it guys.